I can do all things through him who strengthens me. Yes, through Christ you can. Having a good strategy is very important. This is something you understand and trust. The best use of knowledge is application. In this video, we will be building strategies. A trading strategy is simply your entry and exit signals. It is usually a combination of technical indicators. So in this video, we will create strategy based on technical indicators that we have already talked about, and it's also built in your MT4. So as you see here, this is a simple uh, strategy based on moving averages. So when the moving average cross, you buy, you sell, buy, as it cross for sell, cross for buy, and this is a simple strategy. So also what you see here is the RSI. So you can combine it with the moving average, and we're gonna go ahead and build it on the chart. But as you can see here, this came close or it touched the line and it's going back up for a buy, and this is confirmed, so you would do a buy. So you have your signal and your confirmation, both are true. But here it never went all the way up to touch and be in the sell mode, but you have a signal. So if you're using this combination, you will not be doing a sell here. So again, the RSI came down, it went up a couple of times, and now it's going up, so it's in the buy mode. And also your signal gave a buy, so you got your signal and your confirmation both in the same, going in the same direction, so you will buy. So this is a simple strategy. Now let's go to the platform and create some strategies. So on the platform, let's go ahead and create the same as we saw in the presentation. So we had the RSI. So let's find the RSI, and we're gonna keep it 70-30. And we have our RSI here. And then we have moving averages. So I'm gonna go ahead and indicator trend and find the moving average. And sometimes this does that. So the same templates that you're gonna have. So I'm gonna go ahead and just select double moving average, and then I'm gonna go ahead and find my RSI and put it back on there. So with this, you have your signal and then your confirmation strategy. So you got a signal saying it's going into a buy, the moving average is a buy, and then you check your RSI to see if it's going in a buy direction. And if it's true, then you will enter. So this would be a strategy. And again, as you can see, this went all the way to the overbought, and it's going down. Your moving average also gave you a signal that it's time for a sale. And as you can see, the RSI is going down, so is the moving average. So this would be a good sell here. And then again, it went down to oversold, and it's coming back up as a buy, and then now you have a buy entry here, and all will depend on the moving averages that you use. So let's see if we have a 9, so I'm gonna change this to 18, and this is 20, so it's about to cross right here. Again, it depends on your selection, and then you have a buy. So this is one strategy that you can also use. And again, when trading, sometimes market goes sideways like this, and you can use the RSI to detect. See, it's not going anywhere. It's between last time we put 40 and 60, so you can see it's in between that and 40. It's not going anywhere. The market is just doing up and down. Again, the same up and down here, up and down before it's taken up. So that's another use for the RSI before it went all the way down. So you can use it as a confirmation with other things that you have as well. All right, so let's try another strategy. Let's go ahead and use, let's say we continue to use moving average. I'm gonna go ahead and take the RSI off, And then I'm going to go ahead and add, let's say, so let's go ahead and put ADX, which is average directional movement index. So let's go ahead and put that on there. So here we have ADX with the period 14. So we're going to use it as default. Just click OK. And you have your ADX here. So the ADX tell you the strength in the market. It doesn't give you the direction where the market is going, but you can use it to see. And normally when the value for the ADX is below 25, it's not trending. When it's above, then you can see the trend. So just like the RSI, we can see when it's below 20, so this is 20.1736. And again, when the market is not trending, when the market is moving, it's above 25. So at this point is 26.9, and it goes up. Again, when it's below 20.18 at this point, and it's not going anywhere. So you can use to see, especially if you're trying to follow the trend using the moving average, so you don't get stuck in sideways market. So at this point is taking off. So right here is over 20, say 25 right here. So you would jump in the trade if you're using the ADX and the moving averages. So your moving average already crossed for a buy, and then you wait for your ADX to also show to get to your set level. Again, you're picking a strategy based on something that you can rely on, and then you enter your buy here. So remember, you don't have to be greedy trying to chase over everything. There are many pairs that you can trade, so you can have your setup on many pairs. When it happened, then you can jump in the trade over there. So some of the tools that we have for you, again, to make life easy when it comes to trading, so you can monitor. We have scanners that you can set up your strategies to, and it will notify you and tell you, hey, this pair, your strategy just came and it's ready for a buy or for a sell, and then you can jump in on your chart, see it, confirm it, and then you enter in the trade. So one of the ones that we've been using, we have my strategy. So again, I'm going to go ahead and put my strategy on there. And then, so here I have RSI, and I also have, let's see, the alligator set to true. So, all right, I have here. So let me take the ADX off, and then I'll put, let me take these off. So moving average, and I have RSI and alligator. So RSI, and then let me find the alligator. Right here. Okay, so the RSI went into a sell, and then the alligator crossed. Because remember, when we talked about the alligator, we can see that when the green crosses the red, and the also when it's below the blue, then we get into a sell. So it happened right here. Both of them are confirmed for a sell, and then we jump into a sell right here. So again, we can see if the strategy is true whenever it's true, because the RSI is in the sell mode. So whenever the alligator confirm, is going to do a sell. Again, the alligator. But since we're doing a combination, it crossed up, but the RSI was not in the buy. There's no buy signal given. So again, it's been in the buy for days. So you get a signal for a buy from the alligator, it confirms, and then you get into a buy. So this is the combination of RSI and the alligator. So you can get this indicator and just play with it till you find a strategy that works. You can find plenty of strategies on YouTube. Play with it and see how it works. If it worked for you, you can modify, make changes to it so it become your own strategy. something that you can understand, something that you can use, and something that uh, is easy for you to recognize on the chart. So you can trade and be very effective, and you need to check to see if the strategy works. So if this RSI strategy that I have is not working, I need to do something. So if I go into a buy, does it work with these two combinations? Yes, it worked. When it went into a sell here, sell, I get a little sell here. Does it work all the time? No, this one didn't work because it went into a buy. Sell, yes. So you can check and see how often do you lose with a certain strategy, and you see how you can make changes to it. So it will be better, or try something else. If it's just completely don't work, try something else. So as you can see, you get a signal buy and go to a buy. So sell, sell. So this is a good strategy. And another loss, you started going up. So nothing will be 100%. So but find something that will work for you, combine it, and use it, something that you can relate to, completely understand it. And with all that said, I'll see you in the next video.